Jai Hind, friends. So one more session with you on the issue of civil services, and today I will discuss about the soul of civil services. Why 95% people fail to understand this examination? Why 95% people, 95? So it's my request to all of you that please sit silently and listen. Why 95% people, in spite of doing all the labor, all the work, they are unable to understand this game. They are unable to open any door. They are unable to get any type of benefit. There are majority people who do this preparation and they don't get any benefit. Becoming IS officer is not the only achievement of this preparation. That is one thing. This preparation has such a large perspective, such a large dimension, that once you have done this preparation, you will be able to do anything in your life. You can be a good businessman, you can be a good politician, you can be good, anything good. If I am asked, I will say to the government of India that this preparation should be mandatory for everyone after graduation. सबको एक बार करनी चाहिए. Understanding the history of a country, the history of the world, economy, polity, geography, society, current developments. What is the core issue where the students, aspirants, generally miss? Actually, this preparation is like this. UPSC, civil service. This is the first phase. "95% people are unable to reach here." They never reach because this part is very challenging. Challenging because it requires self-transformation. Challenging because it requires self-transformation. Please don't raise your hand. Listen what I am going to say today. Just sit down and listen. No questions, please. If you want to do something good in your life, apart from qualifying civil service, today sit down and listen. Listen about this phase. Why this is a challenging phase? Why? First phase. Anyone who reaches here, now this phase takes minimum 10 months. Ten hour, 10 months. and maintaining consistency for 10 hours and 10 months. And once you have completed this phase, the first symptom in your life will be you will become a saint for this world. This will be the first important symptom. Saint, not that you will run away from your family, you will leave your house. No, not that saint. Actually, internal transformation will take place to such a big level that you will not remain the same which you were with the beginning of the preparation. So what exactly happens? Why it is painful? And what is that? Today I will tell you this. The most important session. And if you are still involved in the society, that means you have not passed this phase. You have not crossed this phase. You haven't got anything from this phase. Acha kya hai? What is this? What is this phase? I am giving you an example. Treaty of Versailles. Very important treaty in world history. Very important. For optional people, for GS people, very important. This treaty is considered as the main cause for Second World War. All of you who are raising the hand, please sit silently. I tell you, this class is of $1 billion. Anyone who will understand what I am saying today, na, you will not only qualify IAS, your life will change. This treaty is considered as the main cause for the Second World War. अब क्वेश्चन तो यही आएगा. Question will be कि Treaty of Versailles is the main cause for Second World War. Now, when World War was going on, Woodrow Wilson came out with 14-point program, American president. And in this 14-point program, he says that lenient action will be taken. Just sit down for 1 hour. Don't worry. Listen the story and just come to the climax. Wait for the climax, what I am going to tell you. Just wait for the climax. Lenient action. In this 14-point program, Woodrow Wilson, the American president, says that lenient action will be taken to the surrendering powers. The power who will surrender, lenient action will be taken. 1918, Germany surrenders. Who made the promise? US. What was the promise? Lenient action. Lenient action will be taken towards surrendering powers. 1918, Germany surrendered because of this promise. But when Germany surrendered, Chauvelin, he was the French president. He said, no leniency. कहानी बदल गई. Claminov says no leniency. No leniency towards Germany. Question mark. Why? Why he says no leniency? First reason he gives, Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, 1917, between Germany and Russia. This was the treaty between Germany and Russia. Bolsheviks came into power, Lenin, and he says that we are not participating in the World War. It was beneficial for Germany. 1917, see the year. 1917. Germany has declared war against US. So if Russia will go out of war, it will be beneficial for US. It will be beneficial for Germany. Because Germany will take its forces from the Eastern Front and deploy on the Western Front. And people will help you only when you are important for their interest. People will help you only when you become important for their interest. Germany and Russia became friends 1917. But Germany was not liberal towards Russia. This was said by Claminov. When Germany was not liberal towards friendly Russia, why to be liberal towards enemy Germany? This was the first reason. Second reason, he says sole responsibility is of Germany. लोगों ने कहा कैसे? अरे बोले सर्बिया was ready for European conference. Serbia was ready for European conference. कि sir, you do European conference, whatever European community will say to me, I will follow. Why you instigated Austria? Sole responsibility of Germany. Third reason, France had eyes on resources of Germany. France is a country without resources, coal and iron. So France had eye on resources of Germany. And fourth, revenge. France has to take the revenge of 1871 and Russia has to take the revenge of 1878. France was humiliated by Germany, 1871, Battle of Sedan, and Russia was humiliated by Germany, Berlin Congress, 1878. So America says leniency, Germany surrenders, but France says no leniency. And this was the reason given by France. And this led to the framing of Treaty of Versailles. Provisions, first provision. Germany lost the area of resources like Saar, like Rhineland. This was the first provision of this treaty. Germany lost Saar, Germany lost Rhineland. The coal and iron producing area. Second, Germany lost African colonies. African colonies. Tanzania, Cameroon, third provision, huge war compensation. £6,600 million. Fourth Fourth, restrictions on army. Ban on Air Force and Navy. Ban infantry 1 lakh. These were the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles. Now this is given in the book. This much is given under the heading Treaty of Versailles. समझना, 1000 बिलियन की बात बताने जा रहा हूं, और भाई साहब आज अगर समझ गए ना, you will not need anyone. Struggle is the part of life, or I say struggle is the synonym of life, and struggle becomes enjoyment when you understand the field for which you are struggling. Everyone is struggling. Everyone. You see civil service field, civil service coaching field. Those who are the parties of 10,000 crore, 5,000 crore, they are also struggling every year to gather the student. Those who are the party of 1 crore, they are also struggling. End of struggle means death. Khatam. But when you start enjoying the field in which you struggle, then you reach to the heights of that field. Because struggle is going on, but you are enjoying. And wherever you start enjoying, wherever. Now this much is given in the book under this heading. कि भैया Germany surrendered because of US, but US said lenient action, but French president said कि no lenient action, and then this was the Treaty of Versailles. I have 20 trucks. I don't have any truck. I'm giving you an example. I have 20 truck and I pay 5 crore income tax every year. And in 2021, government said to me, Mr. Roja, this year you will pay 50 crore extra. I said, sorry sir, I won't be able to pay. Government said, no, you have to pay, otherwise leave the country. I said, sir, okay, fine, I will pay. Sir, I will pay, sir. Till now, food grain was going in my truck. Now OPM and AK-47 will go, but I will pay, sir. Government said, no, not only 50 crore extra. 18 of your trucks will be taken away by the government. Now what I will do? Lashkar-e-Toiba, only option. See, 6,600 million pound compensation. You have taken away the resources, source of income. This is the first part of studying. Visualization. Which 90% of you don't do. Visualization because you are in hurry. Write in your diary. This is the painful part. This is the first part. This part. This diagram you see. This part. This part is the part of visualization. Once you have visualized all the concept, that means it is digested. When it is digested, then go and do your job, your business. Whatever you have visualized, You will never forget. First thing, 100 crores. कभी कमाना तो दे देना, कभी तुम्हारा मन कहे तो दे देना। कभी मेरी किसी बात से तुम्हें कोई बहुत बड़ा फायदा पहुंचे, तुम्हें लगे यार कुछ पैसा दे देना चाहिए, तो ला देंगे, दे देना, 2-4-10 करोड़ रुपए पहुंचा देना। इस दुनिया में सब पैसे के लिए मर रहे हैं, और मजेदार बात कि सब यही कहते हैं कि भैया हम पैसे के लिए नहीं जी रहे हैं। तब काहे जी रहे हो? तो हिमालय चले जाओ, सब पैसे के लिए जी रहे हैं, सब। And those who have overcome money, they are not in the race of anything. ये पहला पार्ट है। Visualization, because you are in hurry, you have to complete your syllabus. You are in hurry, you have to complete a book, this NCERT, you have to complete in 10 days. So you complete it in 10 days, but you don't have anything in your mind. Because this visualization is a pain. पढ़ना पेन नहीं है. Reading is not a pain. Visualization is a pain. You are in hurry. This is the first blunder you do. See? If you visualize, if you create this diagram and think, कि हाँ यार, huge compensation, you are traveling from Lucknow to Delhi without ticket. Delhi Shatabdi, Lucknow Shatabdi. And you are caught by the TT. And TT imposes a fine of 70 crores. £6,600 million. And you have taken away the source of income from where the other person will pay the money. This is the first blunder majority of you do because you are in hurry. And your hurriness, you pay for this hurriness. You pay for this. You stay in Rajendra Nagar for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. But you never understand what is the real problem. You never want to go back to that real problem because it requires your change. And you don't want to change. There are people here in Rajendra Nagar who are for 5 years. Second thing, this is the first thing you learned, कि punishment and revenge both are different. Revenge creates a chain reaction. किसी के फादर की हत्या हो गई, फिर उसने जिसने हत्या की थी उसने उसके फादर की हत्या कर दी, फिर दिस विल गो ऑन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट मैसेज यू विल गेट कि रिवेंज एंड पनिशमेंट आर डिफरेंट. इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी वाज नॉट गिविंग पनिशमेंट टू जर्मनी, इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी वाज टेकिंग रिवेंज फ्रॉम जर्मनी. एंड रिवेंज विल क्रिएट रिएक्शन. तो पहला काम करो विजुअलाइजेशन. सेकंड, मैसेज. तीसरी बात, अरबों रुपए की, थर्ड पॉइंट, $1 billion, बिलियन. द ब्यूटी ऑफ द टेक्स्ट बुक इज, बहुत बड़ी बात बताने जा रहा हूं, गौर करना. द ब्यूटी ऑफ द टेक्स्ट बुक इज that everything related to a topic is not given in one chapter. They are scattered. A Treaty of Versailles takes place in 1919. Emergence of Hitler 1934 and World War 1939. But all the three are related. And all the three are in 3 different chapters. समझ रहा, अरबों रुपए की बात बता रहा हूं, अरबों रुपए की. See, Treaty of Versailles 1919, emergence of Hitler 1934, World War 1939. Second, और क्वेश्चन आएगा कि this World War was because of this treaty, and this event will be a separate chapter, this will be a separate chapter, this will be a separate chapter. So when you come to this chapter, you have to keep in mind Treaty of Versailles. Is there any role of Treaty of Versailles in the emergence of Hitler? Majority of you, when you come to this chapter, you don't keep in mind Treaty of Versailles. So you never develop the holistic approach of a subject. I don't know whether you are getting me what I'm saying or not. And all the 3 events are interconnected. अब गीता में एक चैप्टर में लिखा है, चैप्टर 1 में, कि सेंसेस शो यू द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ. ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर में है. 17 चैप्टर में है कि सेंसेस आर योर एनिमीज. 17 चैप्टर में. इसीलिए तो किताबें हर आदमी को समझ में नहीं आती. द मोस्ट मिस्टीरियस थिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड आर बुक्स. If you had started understanding books, they can make you anything. IAS, PCS, doctor, engineer, God. Their final destination is God. They can make you God also. Only books. No one else has a potential, but books have destroyed also. You see the priest of all the religion, Hindu priest, Muslim priest, Christian priest, full of shit. Majority of them full of shit. Majority. Problem is not in the book. Problem is lack of understanding the book. अब समझना. ' 1919 Treaty of Versailles. Germany comes under compensation, huge war compensation in the background when it has lost its resources, areas of resources. So 1923, Germany became the victim of deflation. Who's responsible for this deflation? This treaty is responsible. Unemployment and devaluation of currency. When Germany became the victim of deflation, देखो कैसे emergence of Hitler and World War are related to this treaty. See, When Germany became the victim of deflation, darkness in Germany, unemployment and devaluation of German currency, America, US became the savior of Germany. 1926. US becomes the savior of all those countries who are rich in resources. So, Dawes plan. America comes out with Dawes plan. Dawes plan. Financial help to Germany. See, Germany is in economic crisis. Who's giving the help? US. Dawes plan. Financial help to Germany. America plays the role in Young plan. Young plan. Reduction in the compensation from 6,600 million pounds to 2,200 million pounds. So treaty led to economic crisis. Because of economic crisis, America became the savior. You know, one of your friend jumps into the river, he starts drowning. You know swimming, you also jumped into the river. When you jumped, you fainted. Now both of you will die. Who was drowning? Germany. Who jumped to save Germany? US. But when US jumped, US fainted. 1929 economic depression. 1929 economic depression. Darkness in capitalist countries. Darkness. 1929 darkness. 1929 first 5-year plan. USSR. Shining. America is in darkness. Capitalism is in darkness. Communism is shining. 1917 was a setback to the capitalist Russian Revolution. Economic depression became the biggest setback. This shining became the inspiration for all the suffering people in the world. Okay, very good, yaar. When you get the first rank, all those who are aspiring to qualify IAS, they run towards you. Ki bhaiya, please tell me the formula, bhaiya. So Russia has become a hero. 1917, communism. 1929, when the world was in darkness, they were shining. They became ideal for all the suffering people. Ki bhaiya, formula, bhaiya. Formula, communism. Capitalists were afraid. Ki arey baap re. Anyone who was supporting communism, they eliminated. Bhagat Singh was one of them. Bhagat Singh was hanged because of this depression. He was emerging as a second Lenin in India. First Lenin in Russia, Bhagat Singh second Lenin in India. Darkness, shining. And in this situation, 1931 elections in Germany. This situation, 1931 elections in Germany, elections. And in elections, Hitler organizes a program, Vibrant Germany, and he says to the capitalists, don't worry, you bring me in power, I will eradicate the term communism from the dictionary of Germany. He gets the support of the capitalist. People were also suffering, unemployment. He says to the people, Labasaram, Achhe din. He gets the support of the people. 1933, he becomes the Chancellor of Germany. 34, he becomes the President. See? And his aggressive internal and external policies led to Second World War. (1919), 1923, 1926, 1929, 1931, 1933 and 34. Bas. This story is given in first chapter. This story is given in another chapter, second chapter. This story is given in third chapter. They all are from different chapters. This story is given in third chapter. This story all is connected, but they are given in 3 chapters. They are not given in any one chapter. This is the dilemma for the students. How to prepare a holistic approach of a subject. What is the first thing you have to do? Visualization. What is the second thing you have to do? Messages. What is the third thing you have to do? Holistic approach, holistic. But book is scattered into different chapters. This is given in one chapter. This is given in second chapter. This is given in third chapter. And then the fourth chapter, the World War. But all of them are connected. And development of these 3 things is a painful process. पढ़ना नहीं है. You don't have to study. You have to evolve. What? What I have to evolve? You have to evolve visualization. You have to evolve messages. Getting the messages. You have to evolve holistic approach. किताब है ना ये अरबों रुपए की बात आज बता दी. बिलियन डॉलर. शायद ही किसी ने कभी ये बताया होगा. ये नॉर्मल लॉ, वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री. You know how many chapters are there? There are 28 chapters. But all the chapters are interconnected. All. But what you do? You prepare separately. First phase, this is the first phase. This is the first phase. This is the first phase when you will prepare separately. But finally, a holistic approach of modern world history, a holistic approach of economy, a holistic approach of geography, a holistic approach of economy, and that you will evolve. 98% coaching institutes, they simply teach you chapter by chapter, but they don't help you to evolve. They don't help you to evolve. And by God's grace, if you have good parents, by God's grace, if you have wisdom, you will evolve it by yourself. And those who evolve it, they qualify. But they don't discuss this. They say, ki bhaiya, I used to study for 18 hours. I have read 200 books. I used to drink water only 1 bottle per day. And you start imitating these things. You start imitating these things. But this, they never mention. And this is the core formula. This they never mention. As far as I think, till today, no teacher would have also mentioned. I don't know. If anyone would have mentioned, I don't know. But I thought that I will discuss this thing to you today. From outside, there are 28 chapters. Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution. First 5-year plan, Stalin, first 5-year plan. Initial economic success of Russia. then promotion to communism, Vietnam, Salvador, Chile, Ecuador. Today I will not entertain any question. I am sorry. This was the most, if you haven't understood it, there is no need to entertain your question. And if you have understood, you will not ask any question. And this you will develop 10 hours, 10 months. This you will develop. Okay, you may be having some doubts. If you have understood what I have told you today, you will have no doubts. If you haven't understood, there is no use of talking to you. If you have understood it today, all of you, if any one of you would have understood, sir, from today, your life will take a U-turn. And if you haven't understood, all of you, just develop this art, this thing. Today my main concentration was this. $1 billion. NCERT course, history of NCERT history, that is additional gift which will be given to you by ICRA, my NCERTs. If I don't give to them, that is another issue. In case they fail to provide you, that means I have not given. But I will give you, don't worry. This was the core of today's discussion. This. So this was, thank you.